guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make Bahmia vegetarian. I'm also going to be speaking Arabic for my Arabic viewers. اليوم رح أشوفكم شلون تسوون رز وبامية. Okay, so things you'll need are okra, a bag of okra, tomato paste, salt, garlic. I'm using vegetarian Maggi, tomato, just one tomato, oil, and sha'riya, which is also known as vermicelli noodles, and rice. الحين وادلكم كيس بامية، معجون، ملح، ثوم، ماجي، مل vegetable، وحدي طماطة، زيت، تمن وشعرية. أولاً رح نبدي مع التمن. رح نخلي الشعرية بالدست أول مع شوية زيت، وبعدين نخلي رز وماي. So first we're gonna start by cooking the vermicelli noodles with a little bit of oil, and then we'll add our washed and cleaned rice. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the pot and let that heat up. And as it heats, I'm gonna add one of the vegetable Maggi cubes. And let that sort of heat up with the oil. So as the Maggi sort of melts down into the oil, then I'm gonna start by adding the vermicelli noodles. هسه من خلينا الماجي وهسه بتنمع بالزيت راح اخلي الشعرية. هسه راح اخلطها شوية. So we're gonna cook these for about a minute until they turn crispy looking brown. Okay, so now that the vermicelli noodles are a crispy brown, that's when I'm gonna add the rice. So هسه من شكله الشعرية هاكذ يعني يصير دارك أخلي التمن. وخليته مثل فلافل تمن. أخلطه شوية, so I'm gonna mix it around a bit. And I'm gonna add about 2 cups of water. And then I'm gonna cook this on high for a few minutes. I'm gonna add just a bit more water, maybe about half a cupful. Add a pinch of salt. And now I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes on high. But make sure you keep your eyes on it. هسه رح أخلينه على high ويستوي وبعدين ننصي الدرجة. So now the rice is on low and we can start with the bamia. هسه خلصنا التمن ورح نبدي مع البامية. So first thing, let's take the bag of okras, open it up. I didn't open it. Yeah, let me just get in there real quick. There we go. So now that we open our bag of okras, I usually just get the frozen bags. أنا أشتري الأكياس أوكرا حتى أخليهم بالفريزر منه ويدا استعملهم بالطلعم. Okay, so now I open the bag of okras and I'm just gonna add it to the pot. هسه فتحت الكيس البامية وراح أخليها بالدست. هسه راح أخلي 4 قواصات ماي. So now I'm gonna add 4 cups of water to my frozen okra. And let these guys heat up and boil for a good about 10 minutes. And while this is boiling, or waiting, as I wait for this to boil, I'm gonna cut up our tomato. هسه لأن خليته البامية بالدست رح انتظر 10 دقائق حتى أخلي الطماطة والثوم. Okay, so now that our rice is on low and our bamia is cooking in water, we're gonna start by cutting up the tomato. So هسه لأن خليته البامية على الستوف يستوي هسه رح أبدي أقص الطماطة. And you guys can use as many tomatoes as you want. I just prefer using one tomato because you don't need much. تقدرون تستعملون نشط الطماطة تريدون، أنا بس أستعمل واحد. Okay. وهسه هخلي الطماطة بالدست. Okay, so now that the bamia is cooking and we sliced up our tomato, we're gonna add it to the pot. Okay, so now that I've added the tomatoes, I'm also gonna add one of the vegetable cubes of Maggi. And I'm also gonna add the tomato paste. هسه هم راح اخلي الماجي والمعجون حتى كلها تستوي سوا. وراح اخلي بس شوية ملح. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Give it one more stir and just let that sit for a few minutes. هسه راح اروح اشتغل معنا الثوم. Okay, so the last thing we need to do to our bamia is add some garlic. And so I'm just gonna peel the garlic, the cover of the garlic off. هسه بس راح اشيل هذا من الثوم. وأنا بس استعمل 4 قطع ثوم. I just use 4 pieces. I mean, if you want more garlic, you could add more. هسه شلتوا القشر من الثوم وراح اخلينه بالدست. So now I've taken the peel of the garlic off and I'm just gonna add it to the pot. Now I'm just gonna give it a good stir with that garlic. I'm gonna set it on medium and put the lid on top and just let this cook for about 20 minutes. And then we should have our bamia. هسه راح اخلي البامية يستوي 20 دقيقة وبعدين نشوف شلون طلعت.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I made a mistake and my mom corrected me. Thanks mom. I forgot one thing and that's citric acid. So us Arabs like to add citric acid to things. So I'm gonna add a little bit of citric acid to the bamia. أنا غلطت نسيت أقول شيء. هسه راح اخلي بعد شوية ليمون دزي بالبامية. Okay, راح اخلي الليمون دزي. Forgive me, I forgot about the citric acid, I apologize. I'm just gonna add a baby pinch because this stuff is very potent. Real strong, alright, real strong. So, just a little bit, don't that's right. But هسه راح اخلي بس شوية ليمون دزي. بس شوية. يعني هاي كلش قوي ذوقته. And now I'm gonna give it one last good stir. And like I said, I'm gonna wait about 20 minutes. Put this on like medium low. Put the lid on and just wait for it to finish. هسه رح ننتظر هي تخلص. Alright guys, so the rice and the okra is done. And I wish you guys the best of luck making this vegetarian Iraqi dish. And just let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. Please like and subscribe and wish you the best guys. إن شاء الله تطلع لكم أحسن من مالي. كلش طيبين تمنوا بامية. وقولوا لي إذا عندكم أي سؤال لو تريدون يسوي أي شيء لكم سامحوني قول العربي مالي ما الأحسن.
أنا أبوكها من أهلها طول عمري ما زعلها ما تسوى الدنيا كلها بدونها ما تنراك حبيبتي من يا منين حبيبتي من بغداد حبيبتي